With the vaccine anticipated to be procured for Guyana in 2021, the risk of nasty side effects of the more popular vaccines created by Pfizer and Moderna are of concern to Guyanese. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, during a recent interview with the Nightly News, was asked about the mechanisms in place to treat persons who may possibly experience serious side effects after their first dose of immunization. He noted that the side effects to be expected are not above the most common ones, which include mild fever and other symptoms.
The Pfizer vaccine, when they did the trial, the third phase trial, they had about 43,000 people who were involved in those trials. And when persons received the vaccine, the side effects were very minimal.
The minister reminded that the purpose of the vaccine trials is to certify the safety and effectiveness of the vaccines.
Before these things can go even further, apart from the trials, in the United States, for example, the Food and Drug Administration would now consider all the information that would have been submitted by Pfizer to ensure that it meets all the safety requirements. And the same thing for the Moderna vaccine and the AstraZeneca vaccine whenever they submit.
Guyana is part of the COVAX facility initiated by the World Health Organization to ensure that there is equitable access to a COVID-19 vaccine amid the high demand by wealthier countries across the world. Minister Anthony informed that the Health Ministry is still in talks with COVAX regarding the vaccine. No firm timeline has been given for the procurement and distribution of the vaccine, neither has a specific vaccine been confirmed. However, President Irfan Ali on Thursday during a virtual address to the 31st special season of the UN General Assembly in response to the COVID-19 pandemic urged the international body to play a vital role in the vaccine rollout for developing countries like Guyana.
United Nations must continue to be in the forefront, as it has been over the past 8 months, in piloting the international rollout of mass immunization for developing countries. The pandemic has presented difficulties for all segments of our society, particularly our children. Most of them have been out of school for months.
On Wednesday, the United Kingdom became the first country to issue an emergency approval for the use of the coronavirus vaccine developed by Pfizer and Biotech. Immunization has begun. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.